Welcome to Technical Building Analyzer. Today topic about how to reset the MCCB, mold case circuit breaker. Resetting a tripped mold case circuit breaker, MCCB, involves a specific sequence to safely restore its functionality after it has tripped due to an overcurrent or fault. Before attempting to reset the MCCB, it's crucial to identify and rectify the cause of the trip. Check for overloads, short circuits, or any other issues in the electrical system that may have triggered the MCCB to trip. Ensure that the electrical system connected to the MCCB is switched off and isolated. This prevents any further incidents while you work on resetting the MCCB. MCCBs have manual operating handles or levers that allow for resetting after a trip. These controls are typically located on the front face of the MCCB. Move the operating handle or lever of the MCCB to the off position first. Ensure that it is fully in the off position before proceeding. After confirming that the cause of the trip has been rectified, move the operating handle or lever of the MCCB to the on position to reset the breaker. After resetting the MCCB, visually inspect the breaker and the surrounding area for any signs of damage, loose connections, or abnormalities that might have caused the trip.